In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for accounting and tax topics fast and easy. Google Trends is an amazing tool that provides insights into what people are searching for online. This can be incredibly useful for anyone in the accounting or tax domain aiming to understand current interests and seasonal trends. So let's dive right in. The first step is to head to Google and search for Google Trends. Once you're on the search results page, click on the first link you see. This will take you to the Google Trends homepage. From here, find the Explore button and click on it. The Explore page will be your main workspace, allowing you to input various keywords to find out how they rank in terms of search popularity. Now enter your core accounting or tax keywords. Start with broad service terms that are relevant to your business, such as tax preparation, accounting services, or IRS audit help. When you enter these keywords, you'll be able to gauge their popularity and see search interest trends over time. Once you've entered your first keyword, you can compare it to other related terms. To do this, click on the plus icon and add additional keywords. This will help you see how various terms stack up against each other in terms of search volume, letting you know which are more popular at a given time. Next, set your filters. This is an important step to ensure the data you get is as relevant as possible. Adjust the location filter to target the country, state, or city where you offer your services. Then, decide on a time range. Choosing last 12 months can show you general trends, while last 30 days might reveal current or seasonal spikes in interest. Under Category, select Finance to filter out any irrelevant results, and typically, you'll want to stick with web search. However, for financial news topics, exploring news search can also be beneficial. With your setup ready, check out the Interest Over Time graph. This is crucial as it shows peaks in search interest, which could indicate seasonal trends like tax preparation spikes in April or the impact of a recent news event affecting accounting practices. For instance, a sudden increase in searches for IRS audit help might be driven by new tax legislation or high-profile legal cases. Scroll down to examine related queries. Look for both rising and top queries that suggest high-intent searches. Examples might include queries like how to file taxes online, small business bookkeeping services, or tax deductions for freelancers. These insights are valuable for targeting the right audience with your content or services. Finally, you can export your findings by clicking on Download CSV. This allows you to save the related queries and search trends in a spreadsheet. Use this data to plan your content or tailor your landing pages more effectively, ensuring they resonate with your audience's current needs. By following these steps, you can leverage Google Trends to stay on top of accounting and tax topics, making your business more insightful and better positioned to serve your clients.